Right, hello, Greg the World Hippie back once again. I thought it was about time to do a model railway update. I've ordered my track, and so I'm waiting for that to happen. I also ordered this Class 50, my favourite locomotive. Shame it's not Hood, but yeah, beggars can't be choosers. This came up very cheaply on eBay. I think I got it for 30 quid. The description was wrong. It said it was a runner. It's not, unfortunately, and it's missing its buffers, but I'm going to pull the buffers off of that for now and attach them onto there. I know they're not quite the right ones, but they will do until I can find a suitable replacement. But yeah, so yeah, I tried it out yesterday. It doesn't run, so this morning I popped the top off, and I think I can quite clearly see what the problem is. That is supposed to be on there, and then that, I'm pretty sure, goes onto there as well on that end. But there's only one way to find out if if that repair will work. So bear with me a second. Let's try and think somewhere. Right, I'll pop the camera there. Yeah, I think you can see pretty well. So what I'm going to do. Oh, that's been left on. So here is the power wires for my thing. So I pop them on there. She runs. So that says to me that if I turn that off. Oh, I love that smell. I love the smell they give off. So yeah, yeah. So that would say to me that if I resolder that and that, then in theory that will work again. So let's go down to the bench and get some soldering done. See you in a minute. Right. Problem with my soldering iron, it takes an age to heat up. I've been waiting, a few minutes now. It's not what I thought it was. I keep getting the occasional puff of smoke off it. I can see someone's repaired this before, because it looks like melt marks on the chassis there, but never mind. Hopefully this will fix the issue. I don't even know where my reel of solder has gone. I thought it was near where the soldering iron's kept. So I was going to see whether or not. There we go, we're melting now. Yay! At last. Right, that's that bit done. Try not to set the bloody place on fire. Right, now let's try again, shall we? It does seem a little bit short, but never mind. No, that's not going to have it. I need to find the bloody solder. What the hell did I do with that? Right, I'll be back in a minute. Right, I found it. Back with you again. Whoop, fucking idiot. Not very neat, but it will do. It's on there. Let's go and see if she wants to play. Right, okay, let's get her on our tracks. Right, that's her on. Let's see what happens. Get her plugged back in. Right, that's that one back up. Right, switch her on. There she goes. Sort of. She went. She said. That's annoying. I'll have to take a closer look and try and work out what the hell's going on with that. I'll bring back. Right. It would appear it was just a dodgy connection. She's very noisy. Turn her down a bit. Yeah. Here she runs. Let's put the top back on and watch the 50 go round, shall we? Right, let's her put back together. Let's see if she's still going to run. No. Oh no, there she goes. Fantastic. Happy days. Brilliant. It's very fast. Full pout. Very fast. Brilliant. Let's set her up with a train, shall we? Come on. Oh well. Happy days. There we go. Right. Hope you enjoyed that little short one. Yeah, very happy I got her running. Yeah, disappointed with how noisy it is, but you know, 50s were noisy engines anyway, so but yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Take it easy, people.